Have you ever wondered how electricity travels hundreds of kilometers with very little energy loss? The answer is the transformer. Transformer is an electrical device that increases or decreases AC voltage without using any moving parts. Before understanding transformers, let's understand alternating current, or AC. When AC flows through the primary winding, it creates a constantly changing magnetic field. The iron core guides this magnetic field efficiently toward the secondary winding. According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, the changing magnetic field induces voltage in the secondary coil. Notice that electricity never jumps directly from one coil to another. Energy is transferred through the magnetic field. If the secondary coil has more turns than the primary coil, the transformer increases the voltage. If the secondary coil has fewer turns, the output voltage becomes lower. Power stations use step-up transformers to transmit electricity efficiently over long distances. Near your home, step-down transformers reduce the voltage to safe levels for daily use. Transformers are used in phone chargers, televisions, industrial machines, hospitals, and power grids. Remember, transformers work only with alternating current because a changing magnetic field is essential. Without transformers, modern electricity distribution would be inefficient, expensive, and extremely difficult.
Now you know how a transformer transfers energy using electromagnetic induction. If you enjoyed this explanation, subscribe for more videos.